Jean-Jacques Henner. Jean-Jacques Henner, 1829 to 1905, was a celebrated French painter known for his evocative portraits, seigneurs, nudes, and mastery of light and shadow. His works bridged academic tradition and amgring modernist aesthetic, making him a sensitive figure in 19th century French art. Henner was born on 5th March 1829 in a small village in the Alsace region of France. The rural beauty of Alsace profoundly influenced his early artistic sensibilities, inspiring a love for nature and pastoral themes that would later permeate his work. Henner showed an early talent for drawing, and with the encouragement of his family, he began formal artistic training at the age of 17 at the École des Beaux-Arts in Strasbourg. In 1848, Henner moved to Paris to study at the prestigious École des Beaux-Arts under Michael Martin Darling, a noted new classical painter. After Darling's death in 1851, Henner became a pupil of Francois Edward Picot, whose academic style greatly influenced Henner's early works. Henner's breakthrough came in 1858 when he won the coveted Prix de Rome for his painting Adam and Eve. Finding the body of Abel, this prestigious award allowed him to study in Rome, where he embraced himself in the art of the Italian Renaissance, particularly the works of Raphael, Titian, and Correggio. The soft fresco and senses handling of flesh tones seen in this master's works profoundly shaped Henner's artistic approach. During his 5 years stay at the Villa Medici in Rome, Henner began developing his signature style, a blend of classical composition and romantic emotion. His Italian landscapes and religious subjects, marked by an ethereal atmosphere, attracted critical acclaim upon his return to France in 1864. Henner quickly gained recognition in Paris, where his works were regularly exhibited at the Salon. His painting, often characterized by their moody lighting, dreamlike quality, and graceful figure, applied to both critics and the public. He became renowned for his nudes, particularly red haired female figures rendered with luminous skin tones against dark, ambiguous background. These motifs become so associated with him that his contemporaries dubbed it Le Style Henner. Among his most famous work are the cassette 1865, Bathur 1885, and Solitude 1886. These paintings showcase Henner's skillful blending of sensibility and spirituality, reflecting both classical ideals and modern exploration of human emotion. Henner also painted portraits which displayed a similar depth and sensitivity. His sitter often appeared introspective, bathed in a soft, diffused light that implies their humanity rather than their social status. Hanno received numerous accolades throughout his career, including the Legion of Honor in 1873 and promotion to its Grand Officer rank in 1903. He was also a member of the Institut de France and served as a professor at the Academia des Beaux-Arts, where he influenced a generation of young artists. Despite his success, Hanners remained deeply connected to his Alsatian roots. His homeland's culture and landscapes continue to inspire his work, even as he achieved international firms. Jean-Jacques Henner passed away on 23rd July 1905 in Paris, leaving behind a rich legacy of evocative, timeless art. Today, his work can be found major museums worldwide, including the Musées d'Orsay and the Louvre in Paris. The Musée Jean-Jacques Henner in Paris, housed in his former studio, in dedication